I have little secret packing tips that are going to be very useful to you. And now it's time for packing snack hacks. I lived in Venice Beach. Pretty potion. So I decided to go with Barbie Pink Naturally. Everything that was on that bed is in here. I always like to see videos about how to pack more efficiently and healthy little snacks to take to keep a little Barbie physique up in this. You know what I'm saying? So let's do it. And I've got to get it all in one suitcase. Well, I don't have to, but I don't want my boyfriend to question my sanity any more than he already does. Let's do it. And we all know I'm not carrying those bags. Okay, so I start by putting everything on my bed. These are some of the things that I pulled down here. I'm not going to pretend like it's, you know, not a mess, but I'm going to get organized. I'm going to get it right and I'm going to get it tight. So Osea also sent me this awesome package, and this is like totally for mermaids right before my trip to the Caribbean. Oh my God. So it's a Waves of Wellness package. I'm freaking out because you know it's going to be good. It says, write 3 gratitudes. Cook a healthy meal. Get up and stretch. Go outside for fresh air. Take a deep breath. And go be, I'll have to rip that off. And go to bed early. I'm not so good at that. But I'm going to try. Thank you, Osea. So I'm so excited to undo this package. I'm so excited. Woo! And look at how cute their packaging is. Oh my God. Okay, so I'll give you a little hint. This is their cute little package, but I'll show you this stuff when I use it in the Caribbean. So I'll give you a hint of some of my fashion, but you know, you're going to have to just stay tuned and see. I'm going to be doing fashion on my TikTok, and there's my jewels, and you'll just have to wait and see. You'll just have to wait and see. Tune into my TikTok and my Instagram, and I'll be doing like all my fashion and looks there. And it'll be fun. Oh my God, I'm so excited to go to the Caribbean. Okay, so as you can see, this just feels like a problem. And I don't want it to be like this when I get to the Caribbean. So here's the solution. Watch this. The first key to life is packing cubes. Okay? Let me hear you holla. Always something I'm forgetting. Oh. Now, I have a few things coming from Amazon that aren't here yet. So, when I show you my magical solution, it might be this evening. So, we'll wait till my Amazon package gets here, and then we'll wrap it up. And this place will look back to a little Barbie palace in no time, darlings. So I just rolled down real quick to the world famous Venice Beach to get some sunglasses for my trip. So I love Southern California, I gotta say, but you know, from ocean to ocean. There's Harry Perry, world famous. So I like to come and get sunglasses down here because they just have super cute and funky ones, and like I don't have to spend a fortune, so I'll get like 3 or 4 or 5. I'll get a couple new pairs for the trip, and yeah, just like check this out. All the art is so cool. Everything in Venice is so cool. You're under arrest. You have the right to remain fabulous. These are kind of cool. So I decided to go with Barbie Pink Naturally. I think it's fun. So, let me know what you guys think. I got a little deal steal. I might go get one more pair. And then I have to go get my nails cut because I can't, these are my Valentine's Day nails, which are actually super cute, right? But I can't like push the buttons on the boat in the Caribbean without hurting them. And I don't want to be stranded with a broken nail at sea. Heaven forbid. So I'm gonna go get them down, still a fill, and a petty, and my favorite color, besides pink, which is Ferrari red. It's always cool when you're down here just to check out the skate park. So, you know, it's fun to see what people are wearing and all the crazy cool people down here. And just, it's a beautiful day. And I love the art and graffiti. I get mad artistic inspiration here. And we're gonna go check out the skateboarders real quick. Woo. Only in Venice Beach does liquid death roll up in a hearse.
Hey, hey.
Genius. Genius. Gotta love it. I lived in Venice Beach for all of my late 20s, and I gotta tell you, I had the time of my life. But boy, it's wild down here. So I've calmed down a lot. Just reminds me of some good times. How badly do you think I want that pink scooter? Oh. Is it one more for the road? These have 0 UV protection, but dang, they're cool. There's just too much going on here. I need to get out of here. I had to limit my parking ticket, so like, you know what I mean? I had to limit my parking so I didn't stay too long and buy unnecessary things like these glasses. Okay, I saw, I conquered. I got 3 pairs of shades for the Caribbean. Just cute and funky. Knowing me, I will drop them or mess them up anyways, so it's just fun to get some new things, and these are the pink ones. So I'll take you guys back to Venice Beach when I come back, but you know, we gotta go to the other coast now. We gotta go to the Caribbean. It's time to go sailing. Poof. Okay, so my Amazon stuff got here kind of late, but can we even deal? This entire thing was a catastrophe, right? And now look at this consolidation. Date night looks. Next. Chill, boat, glory, fun. Beachy looks. This one. Bikinis, loungewear, and miscellaneous. Undies and lingerie. And let's not forget whatever is in that one. No, I think it's also workout gear. So this just makes life so much easier. So also these have handles. So I'm like, da 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 da. I just rock this stuff. I just take my little show on the road. Now I'm in my loft at home in LA by the beach in true mermaid form. And so now I pack my suitcase upstairs because I live in a loft and the suitcase would be way too heavy to carry up the stairs. So I arrange my little packing cubes down here, okay? And then I put it all in the suitcase up there, which is also the same level as the elevator. Thank you. And then I usually find some innocent bystander to put the suitcase in my car. You know what I mean? Because you know I'm not going to do it. But also, look, my nails are short. Never in my life. Well, that's not true. but you know what I mean. I actually, I kind of like it. Ferrari red, and I also got a petty, so I'm ready for that boat life, okay? So it's time for me to chill. So I am going to do my nighttime routine, which I'll probably do in another video with you guys, but I'll come back tomorrow morning and show you how the whole thing came together. And then I'm going to go to my boyfriend's house where I'm going to do the healthy snack trick edition, which is very, very useful for my mermaids and Barbies on the go. Nighty night. Meow. Okay. I have to tell you, it's like a modern miracle. Sorry, I look like Curly's do right now, but they'll fall out. So, everything that was on that bed is in here. I mean, I know the Oscars are Sunday, but I feel like I should be getting one. Now, critical, air tag, because I didn't go through all this to lose all that. Now, I'm on my way to my boyfriend's, and I'm going to show you how I pack super healthy, fun stuff. And a lot of the food and secret little snack tricks are ordered to his house from Amazon. So I can stay on top of my fitness goals while I, am sailing through the Caribbean in style. Okay, so now I'm at my boyfriend's house and the stuff came in from Amazon. And now it's time for packing snack hacks. Okay? Now, key. Truvani protein powder. Bring this, all natural stuff. The only ingredients in here are the only ingredients in here are pea protein, vanilla powder, pumpkin seed, monk fruit, and chia seed protein. No gluten, no fillers, all natural. And my boyfriend likes this. And you can bake with this and make protein pancakes. I'll show you that when we get on the boat. Okay. Then I call this my pretty potion. And you can see in some other videos I talk about this. But I put a scoop of this in my coffee every morning. So I dump it out of this and put it in a bag. And I bring this. So hair, skin, nails, wonder. Keeping it going. Next. See these? No BS. Okay? These RX mini bars, 100 calories each. Again, all natural stuff. 1.5 egg whites, 7 peanuts, 1 date, egg whites, almonds, cashews, a date, peanut butter chocolate, chocolate sea salt, strawberry, blueberry, do you. And they're so little. I get like the little half ones because these will hold you over, okay? So I put a few in my to-go on the plane, and then I bring them with me. So I always have some in my purse instead of making a poor choice, which I'll do sometimes anyways, but these are key tricks, okay? Next, these little Trader Joe's instant oatmeal packages. I bring a whole bunch of these. These are made with whole grain oats, quinoa, amaranth, and flax seeds, and chia seeds, gluten-free. And then I also bring my own raw almond butter. No added sugar, no salt. So I know that I can have this in the morning, and I actually only eat half a packet a day, which is like a quarter of a cup, but you know what I mean? When it blows up, it's like, it's a lot. So this and 2 tablespoons of almond butter, you have breakfast on the go. And I also bring my pre and probiotic. Whatever brand you have is a do you situation. I use these Kendi nutraceutical ones that I got at like my local health food store in Venice Beach, California. And now here's the real dead ringer. And they just so happen to match my outfit, which I can't even deal. But these are portable blenders, okay, by a company called Blend Quick that I actually did a little campaign with. And these are really cool because they charge like your cell phone, okay? So right here, they have a little thing. Literally the same charger as my cell phone. And when we're on the sailboat, I don't know, but like, it's not like you can have like a blow dryer on there or whatever. I have to check my wattage. Bam. So anyways, I have one for me and one for my boyfriend. So I'll put a scoop of that Truvani in. I'll put some almond milk in there. I'll put a few ice cubes, a little bit of fruit, and I know that I have a little healthy breakfast or snack, okay? So, these are key little travel hack secrets, okay? So I'll bring like one of these on the flight and one of these on the flight, and I'll bring an extra one for my boyfriend. And just an FYI, I didn't get them in time, but that's okay. But they have little to-go things of these, like single packages. So it's all about Primal Kitchen, okay? So stay trim for summer, my dolls, and let's go to the Caribbean. See you on the sailboat. Oh my, and I almost forgot, you guys. Don't forget, look like a mermaid, ride like a pirate. See you in the Caribbean. Woo!